cock, yeah, that's it. And then I cock it that, and then it's ready to fire. All you have to do now is just aim it at your target and pull the trigger. Just a kick? No, not really. I mean, you'll feel it move a little bit, but
might make you laugh.
making sure that it's gonna pop back in my face or something. No, that'd be a stupid video for YouTube.
Whoa. I heard that. Do you hear something in the woods back there, or is it just me? No more.